Tomorrow way too far away, and we can get back yesterday. But we young right now, we got right now, so get up right now, cause all we got is right now. Tomorrow way too far away, and we can get back yesterday. But we young right now.
Hey Divas and Divos, welcome back to my channel. This is Miss Tina B, and today I'm doing a get ready with me video. Simple look that I did with the Naked Urban Decay Smokey palette, and this is a simple, easy look to do for every day or a brunch out with your girlfriends or even a night out. So this is not too risky, but it looks like you put some effort to look oh so sexy for the day, you know what I mean? So stay tuned if you want to see how I achieve this look. So and also please like and support, subscribe, and give me a thumbs up. Also let me know how you like the quality of my video, because yes, I'm using my new camera. So leave the comments down below. I'll be reading each and every one of them and replying back. So stay tuned. Love you guys. Okay, so here I'm starting to use the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Primer all over my face. Now I'm going to use Anastasia's Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade for my eyebrows, and it's in the color Ebony. My eyebrows are already microbladed, so they're pretty much perfect, but to give it an even more defined look, I chose to fill them in a little bit. Okay, so to clean up my eyebrows and give it that perfect defined look, I'm going to clean it up with MAC Paint Pot and NW50. Onto my eyes, I'm going to prime my eyelids with Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion in the color Eden. So first I'm going to use Radar as the color for my lid. So I'm just going to be very generous and spread that all over my lid on both eyes. Now to blend all this out so that there's not a harsh line, I'm going to use the color Whiskey as my crease and transition color. I blended all that out, I'm going to use the color Black Market to deepen my crease and give me a subtle smoky eye look. And now for my highlight, I'm going to use the color Dirty Sweet right on that brow bone, and just to make things pop a little bit.
Don't deal with violence. And I is peaceful Rasta man. I don't steal, cheat. That's it. I man serve.
Now that I'm done with my eyes, I'm going to move on to the foundation, and I'm using Fenty Beauty Pro Filter foundation in the color 440, and it's a very thin or lightweight foundation, so you can go really light with it, or if it's a day that you really want to like do a second layer and have deep coverage, you can do that. Just build your layer up. Now I'm going to conceal my eyes and kind of lighten around my eye area. I'm going to be using the concealer color Suede, and it was part of the 400 trio that came with Fenty Beauty. Next, I'm going to contour my face with the color Espresso. That was also part of the trio of the 400 pack. And I'm going to contour on my cheekbone and my forehead to give it a slimmer look. Because, you know, your girl is full with the forehead. Okay, so now I'm going to highlight my nose and right above my lip, what they call is the Cupid's arrow. And that's just going to give me a pop when I add my lip color. Now ladies, this is called MAC Blush Raisin. And if you guys do not have this color as a blush, I don't know what you're sleeping on. Because this color is so beautiful. You can go really light with it like I did, or you can build it up and make it even deeper. Okay, so this is my favorite cheap eyeliner. It's the Wet n Wild H2O proof eyeliner, and I know that the liquid liners are supposed to be used on your top lid, but I use it actually on my bottom eyeliner. And then I also wanted that inner part of my eye to pop, so I went back in with Dirty Sweet of the same palette to give me like a highlight or a pop and open up my eyes. Now it's finally time for my lips. Be Spoken For by MAC is my favorite by all time lip liner. So if y'all don't have that, I'm gonna need you to get that, because this lip liner and any lip gloss looks so amazing and so beautiful. I always get people asking me, what's on my lips? What am I wearing? What color lipstick? When it's just a lip liner. And of course, to finish off my look, I'm gonna use MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus. This basically helps with taking the powder look away and basically giving you that wet, dewy glow look. Okay, so this is the final results, and I hope you guys liked it. Please show support, like, comment, and subscribe, and definitely hit the notification so you won't miss my next video. Love you guys.